Hi, you all creative people out there. It is Az here from Az Productionds. In the previous video, we see the interface overview. And today, we are going to learn Cinema 4D Beginner's Introduction Part 2. Let's get right into it.
Chapter number 3, Navigations. So let's see first how to pan, zoom, and orbit in the viewport. We can use these icons to pan, zoom, and orbit. But we are going to use the shortcut. Panning. Hold the left mouse button and click 1 on the keyboard to pan across the workspace. It lets you shift your view horizontally or vertically to explore your 3D scene effortlessly. Zooming. Press 2 on the keyboard and click the left mouse button to zoom in or out. This allows you to get a closer look at details or zoom out to view the entire scene. Orbiting. Hold the 3 key and left click, then drag the mouse to orbit around the selected pivot point. It's invaluable for changing your perspective and viewing objects from different angles. Chapter number 4, Creating Objects. First, to create an object, press and hold the left mouse button on the Primitives tab, and select an object you want to create, and let go. Chapter number 5, Modifying Objects. The Transform tool. The Transform tool is vital for manipulating objects precisely. Here's how to use it in a nutshell. First, select the object you want to transform by clicking on it in the viewport or using the Object Manager. Once the Transform tool is active, you'll see control handles, arrows, circles, and squares around the selected object. Click and drag these handles to move, scale, or rotate the object. For precise transformations, you can also enter numeric values in the Attribute Manager or Coordinate Manager. How to undo and redo. Use the standard Ctrl+Z, CMD+Z on Mac to undo changes and Ctrl+Y, CMD+Y on Mac to redo them. We can use these icons as well. Chapter number 6, Materials and Textures. Materials and textures in Cinema 4D are essential for crafting the visual aesthetics of 3D objects. Materials determine how surfaces interact with light, offering control over properties like color, reflectivity, and transparency. Textures, including images and patterns, enhance realism by adding detail to materials. UV mapping facilitates precise texture placement on 3D models. Cinema 4D offers a flexible node-based material system for advanced users. To make a material, double-click on the material panel. Now the material is created. To apply the materials, drag and drop the material to the object. Or you can drag and drop the materials to the Attribute Manager. So that's a Part 2 video. In other chapters, we are going to learn lighting, animation basics, rendering settings, final scene. Let us know if you have any comments. Bye-bye everyone.